Good morning, students. Here, Neela ma'am, your online SST class in lockdown. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 6, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife of your geography book, Social Science, Our Environment. And chapter number 6 is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In the previous videos, you have learned about natural vegetation, about forest, grasslands, shrubs, and 6 types of forests. Tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous, and here Mediterranean and coniferous forest. Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forest. Today you are going to learn about grasslands. Okay, grasslands. So grasslands are known by different names in different regions. Tropical grasslands are found in East Africa known as savanna. In Brazil, tropical grasslands name is campos. In Venezuela, tropical grasslands are known as llanos. And temperate grasslands are found in Argentina, North America, South Africa, Central Asia, and Australia. In Argentina, temperate grasslands are known as pampas. In North America, these grasslands are known as prairies. In South Africa, temperate grasslands are known as veld. In Central Asia, temperate grasslands are known as steppes. In Australia, temperate grasslands are known as downs. Today you are going to learn about 3 types of grasslands: tropical, temperate, and thorny bushes. Tropical grasslands are found on the either side of the equator till the tropics. Grass can grow up to 3 to 5 meters high. Savanna grasslands are found here. And animals which are found in tropical grasslands are elephant, zebras, giraffes, deer, leopards. In temperate grasslands, here these grasslands are found in mid-latitudinal zones. Short and nutritious grass is found here. Wild buffaloes, bisons, and antelopes, these animals are found here. And about thorny bushes, these are found in dry areas where there is scarcity of rainfall. So let's learn about different types of grasslands. First, it is tropical grasslands. Here this is a picture of tropical grassland. These occur on either side of the equator and extend till the tropics. This vegetation grows in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall. The grass can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meters in height. Savanna grasslands of Africa are of this type. Elephants, zebras, giraffes, deer, leopards are common in tropical grasslands. Then other type of grassland is temperate grasslands. These are found in the mid-latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continents. Usually, grass here is short and nutritious. Wild buffaloes, bisons, antelopes are common in the temperate region. Here, this is a picture of temperate grassland. Temperate grasslands are found in the mid-latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continents. Usually, grass here is short and nutritious. Wild buffaloes, bisons, antelopes are common in the temperate region. Then thorny bushes. These are found in the dry desert-like regions. Tropical deserts are located on the western margins of the continents. The vegetation cover is scarce here because of scanty rain and scorching heat. Students, you will identify the desert regions in the world map. Can you name the Great Desert of India? You will find answers of these questions, and you will also find answer of name some of the common animals of the desert which you have learnt earlier. If you reach the polar region, you will find the place extremely cold. This is about tundra. Now, tundra region. When you reach the polar region, you will find the place extremely cold. The growth of natural vegetation is very limited here. Only mosses, lichens and very small shrubs are found here. It grows during the very short summer. This is called tundra type of vegetation. This vegetation is found in the polar areas of Europe, Asia and North America. The animals have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the cold climate conditions. Seal, walruses, musk oxen, Arctic owl, polar bear and snow foxes are some of the animals found here in tundra region. So this is about tundra region. You have learnt tundra, it is found in cold areas. Mosses, lichens grow here. Polar areas of Europe, Asia and North America. Then there are some questions like quiz section. First question is, the natural vegetation which grow where temperate and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover is known as, yes, which option will be correct? Forest, grassland, shrubs, or none of these? Yes, students. If you have thought it's forest, very good. Your answer is correct. Then, which animal is this? You can look at the picture. Options are lion, tiger, panther, or big cat. Yes, look at this picture. Yes, you are right. It's tiger. Good. Those who have thought this answer. Good. Then, mosses and lichens are found in, recently I have taught, in desertic vegetation, tropical evergreen forest, in tundra vegetation. Yes, mosses and lichens, these are, yes, tundra vegetation. Recently I have taught that. Then, thorny bushes are found in hot and humid tropical climate, hot and dry desertic climate, cold polar climate. These thorny bushes, yes, these are found. Yes, if you have thought about hot and dry desertic climate, very good. Your answer is correct. Its answer is hot and dry desertic climate. Okay, very good. If you have thought this answer, this option as correct option. Now, one important variety of coniferous forest is what? Rosewood, pine, or teak? Yes, one important variety of coniferous forest, it's, yes, pine. If you have thought option B as correct option, you are right, it's pine. Okay, then next question is, steppe grassland is found in South Africa, Australia, Central Asia. Yes, steppe, I have recently taught in this video. In the starting, steppes are found, these grasslands are found in Central Asia. Option C is correct. Those who have thought the option C is correct, very good. Your answer is correct, option C. Then there are match. Walrus, it is a polar animal. Cedar, this is soft wood tree. Olives, a citrus fruit. Elephant, an animal of tropical deciduous forest. Campos, these are found here. Campos, these are found in Brazil. So that is tropical grassland of Brazil. Downs, temperate grasslands in Australia. So students, you will also find question answers at page number 45 in your NCERT book. Try to find the answers and try to mark the answers in the book. No need to write in the notebook, okay? Thank you for watching this video. And based on this, you can complete chapter number 5 book work in the workbook, okay? So presented by Neelam Jain. Thank you, students. Stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you. God bless all of us.